DIY prenups are the worst. When we get those prenups, we review them. I love the fact that people are reaching these agreements, they're negotiating their terms. I think the spirit of that is 100% on point. However, a lot of times, especially nowadays, I'm seeing a lot of custom provisions that are just not enforceable. I just recently had one where the clients took a draft form that the boilerplate was pretty basic and enforceable, but then they used ChatGPT or Claude or one of these other AIs to then insert their own provisions. When I went through it, I could tell because of the way it was highlighted and different things. And I said, hey, this provision here, it messes with some of these other provisions. Is that what you intended? Like the tax consequences, right? Or there was another provision that created some conflict that they weren't really thinking about for future. I was like, in life, this is probably going to happen. And if that happens, is this really what you want the provision to say? Or even just the way it's drafted is just not enforceable. There's no specific dates about something or no established parameters that are clear. I think adultery provisions are a good example of that. A lot of people are really concerned about adultery, but then defining adultery can be very challenging, right? How do you define, how you prove it? What is it? Is it going to be certain types of sexual acts? Is it going to be cyber sex? Is it going to be texting? Like all these different things. Is that what you mean by adultery? It becomes this sort of quagmire that we get down into. And so when they use Chat or Claude, it has this very basic kind of definition and has a lot of problems with it with enforceability too. I think those are great conversations then to have with a lawyer, because as a layperson, yes, the agreement is there. You guys want to do this and be fair to each other, but I think it's the devil's in the details that you really need to be speaking with a lawyer about to make sure that it's something that won't be busted. All this time and energy and effort that you put into drafting this document and negotiating and talking with your spouse could all be thrown in the trash if you don't do it correctly. If you want to learn more about prenups and how they can protect you and your marriage, call us or contact us at www.familylawdfw.com.